Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.2, Problem 12. This is Section 4.2, Problem 12. It says the given triangles are similar. Find the length of the unknown side. So two triangles, the unknown side here is the top of the left-hand triangle. So what we do is we set up a proportion, solve for the unknown. So the top of the smaller triangle to the top of the larger one will have n over 4. Set that equal to the right-hand side of the smaller one over the right-hand side of the bigger one. 2.5 for the right-hand side of the small triangle to 5 right-hand side of the larger triangle. So now when you have one fraction equal to another fraction where one part is unknown, you solve the unknown by cross-multiplying and dividing. So going one way we have n times 5, and going the other way 4 times 2.5, or 2.5. And that's equal. So we can simplify it. 4 times 2.5 is 10. N times 5, we can just write 5n. And now to solve for the unknown, you just divide. And I can see the answers too, but you can write it out. 5 divides into 10 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. Remainder 0. So, I expected it to be 2 because you can see the smaller triangle, the right-hand side to the right-hand side, it's half as much. 2.5 is half of 5, so the top should also be half of 4. So if you happen to see it that way, that's even quicker. But if not, the process with the proportion works equally well.